right, so this is from the link, right? This is the drag and drop in activity here. We've got just some fill-ins at the top. Okay. For this pH graph, right? So we've got the pH is the independent variable. We've got the rate of activity on the Y, the dependent variable, and we're trying to find its optimal, right? So the peak is right here, right? And you're just going to grab the label and drag it. Okay. And then we've got some other parts here, right? So if we're to the left of optimal, it's going more acidic. If we're to the right, we're going more basic. And when we get to the tails here, we can see that it slows down, and basically it's not working. It's fully denatured. So we've got an acidic denaturation, right? And then we would have a basic one on this side. And it would be better like if these had little lines on them, so that even like where to place the letters. I agree with that, but we're just sort of dropping them, you know, where they would be on the graph, okay, as you're kind of going through like that. That's just the practice we're trying to do with that. For these here, we've got two graphs, and basically on the two graphs, you're just trying to find the two peaks, right? Do the graph analysis there, and that's what we're trying to do on this, okay? Same thing at the bottom, grab the labels, put them in their proper spots.